Hello. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a safe, natural remedy for heartburn, acid reflux, and GERD. Heartburn, acid reflux, and GERD occur when the stomach acid reverses direction and enters the esophagus, causing inflammation, burning, nausea, or bloating. The purpose of stomach acid is to break down and digest the food consumed, especially protein. Now, the stomach is made out of protein, but it doesn't digest itself because it has a protective lining. The esophagus is not so lucky. The esophagus does not have this protective lining, and stomach acid can cause pain, burning, or a choking feeling. Sometimes this causes a sour, acidic, or salty taste in the back of your throat. People often turn to acid-blocking medications for fast relief. A recent study found that acupuncture plus herbal medicine outperformed medication for the treatment of acid reflux. In this video, I will show you how to locate and activate 3 research-tested acupuncture points. My name is Dr. Baritz. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm certified in acupuncture physical medicine. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos come out. The first research-tested acupuncture point for acid reflux is liver 3. In addition to helping with stomach acid, liver 3 is traditionally used to help with high blood pressure, menstrual problems, urinary incontinence, and the physical discomforts associated with stress. Interestingly, this point has been used for over 1,000 years to relieve epileptic fits, which point to its powerful nerve calming effects. Liver 3 is located at the top of your foot. To locate liver 3, place your finger between your great toe and the toe next to it. Then move your finger towards your ankle till you're on the top of your foot. Notice that your finger is between 2 bones. Staying in that groove, move your finger towards your leg until the bones seem to come together. Press into that location and find a tender spot. That is liver 3. Stimulate it 5 times rapidly with your finger or the spring end of a Tai Shin. Then take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tai Shin, it might look like this. Now find liver 3 on your other foot and repeat. During or shortly after stimulating liver 3, you may notice a sensation of heat or energy in your foot, leg, or pelvis. This is normal and therapeutic. The next point recommended for acid reflux is stomach 36. Stomach 36 is on the stomach meridian, which is the energy pathway discovered by the ancient acupuncturists that works specifically for the stomach. That stomach 36 is also known as leg 3 miles, points to its energy boosting properties, showing that a person rubbing this point can walk another 3 miles even if they are fully exhausted. Stomach 36 is perhaps the most popular acupuncture point of all time. Stomach 36 is used for all digestive problems. Additionally, stomach 36 is used to reduce leg problems like weakness, pain, numbness, burning, and tingling sensations. Stomach 36 is also used to help regain balance and coordination and help with fibromyalgia symptoms. This remarkable acupuncture point is said to strengthen the body and boost the immune system. Stomach 36 is located the width of 4 fingers below your kneecap. To locate stomach 36, place your index finger just below your kneecap, then find the point just below your pinky finger. Move to the side about 1/2 inch, press there and find a spot that is tender, painful, or a little sore. That is stomach 36. Activate stomach 36 by rubbing this area 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tai Shin, it might look like this. I put a link below for more information about the Tai Shin that I recommend. Now find stomach 36 on your other leg and repeat. After activating stomach 36, stand up, walk in place for a few minutes, and really lift your legs. Notice if you feel some more energy in your thighs. The use of herbs to support healthy digestion is an essential component of this protocol. Herbs support digestion and the normal protections for the esophagus. Herbs are usually taken before meals to support digestion and after meals to support normal protective mechanisms. The final research-proven point that I want you to activate is conception vessel 12. Conception vessel 12 is the third point that has been shown to reduce acid reflux. Conception vessel 12 is known as middle cavity, signifying its effect on the abdominal organs. In addition to helping with acid reflux, conception vessel 12 is used to relieve symptoms associated with gallstones and to help reduce cholesterol levels. This powerful point is also used to relieve hiccups. Conception vessel 12 is located 1 hand's breadth above the umbilicus. To locate this point, place the flat of your hand on your belly just above your belly button. Using deep pressure, feel for a tender or painful spot just above the knuckle of your index finger. The spot may be a little higher or lower. Activate conception vessel 12 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times, then take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. During or shortly after stimulating conception vessel 12, you may notice a sensation of heat or energy in your abdomen or back. This is normal and therapeutic. If you are frustrated by acid reflux, don't give up. Activate these points 3 times a day for 30 days to get fast results. Then activate them twice a day for the next 90 days to stabilize results. For more natural remedies, I suggest you see my video, How the Stomach Works. Feel free to comment below on any subjects you would like me to address in future videos. Till next time, this is Dr. Baritz signing off, yours for Health Natural.